Welcome to Bike Reviews Pro. While we focus mainly on two wheels, today we're diving into something with a bit more traction, Toyota's latest SUV update. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 is here, and it's not just a refresh. It's a smarter, more refined evolution of one of the most popular crossovers in the world. Design and exterior changes. The 2025 RAV4 features subtle yet impactful exterior upgrades. Toyota keeps the signature rugged stance, but introduces a bolder front grille, sleeker LED headlights, and new alloy wheel designs. It's more aerodynamic, with revised bumpers and refined body lines that enhance fuel efficiency and give it a more premium look. Interior and technology. Step inside, and you'll immediately notice a quieter cabin, improved materials, and better layout. Toyota has introduced a new 12.3-inch digital instrument cluster and an optional 14-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The interface is faster, smoother, and more intuitive than ever. Wireless charging, ventilated seats, and upgraded sound systems round out the modern fee. Performance and powertrain. The 2025 RAV4 retains its reliable 2.5L four-cylinder engine, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. But the big news is a refined hybrid option with improved efficiency and smoother acceleration. Toyota's all-wheel drive system now features enhanced torque distribution, making it better for off-road adventures and snowy commutes alike. Safety upgrades. Toyota's Safety Sense 3.0 is now standard across all trims. This includes enhanced adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, road sign recognition, and pedestrian detection. With more sensors and smarter software, the RAV4 offers a safer, more confident driving experience. Final thoughts. The 2025 Toyota RAV4 doesn't reinvent the wheel, but it polishes every inch of it. More comfort, better tech, and increased efficiency make this a smart update to a bestseller. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend trail seeker, the new RAV4 is ready to deliver. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned to Bike Reviews Pro for more auto and moto updates every week.